How to fix iCloud login problem 2026. To fix the iCloud login problem, first of all, make sure to check the Apple server outages. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, tap on that search bar, then type Apple System Status page. Once you find the official website, go ahead and tap on this. Now you simply have to go ahead and make sure that the operations are running normally or the services are operating normally. Once you confirm this, you simply have to now proceed to sync device state and time settings. Open the settings application on your iPhone. However, I'm on Android device, but you simply have to follow these steps. Once you open the settings application, go to general, then tap the date and time, and also make sure to set it to automatic. Once you turn this feature on, your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.